So this is the continued creek that eventually goes down to the culvert. And I've never been able to see this part because it's usually just been covered with branches and debris and other dead trees, but because of the fire that we had, the 20 fires we had in California, we ended up having CDCR come out and clear much of the debris and trees and dead things all through Green Valley Road. So that's why this area is clear, is because of that. So I'm grateful that they finally got somebody to do that. So you can see it's pretty steady here.